Welcome to ProjectSEARCH Durham Region. ProjectSEARCH is a program for students with intellectual disabilities to gain experience in the work world. In partnership with the Durham Catholic District School Board, the Region of Durham, and the Ability Center, dcdsb interns are immersed within a host business site and supported by a core team, including a certified teacher, mentors, and skills trainers. The idea of the program is to get students employed. So at the end of the program, not only do they gain these skills in their internship, but they also get an opportunity to be followed after the program to find jobs and employment into the community. So once they graduate, they get that opportunity to have someone help them as well find employment.
At my internship, I do directing customers at the front desk at Durham Region headquarters. So one thing I would tell my friend about ProjectSEARCH is be kind with your mentors and coworkers and listen to what they're saying and follow the instructions.
Trust yourself, the things you actually need to do, and be more independently, and try to get the skill you got in your journey, and try to put all that energy into this job. What I do at my internship at HQ is dusting, the first step. Second step is wiping the handles in the building.
ProjectSEARCH gives us hard and soft job skills to prepare us for a job. My favorite part about my internship is seeing different interns and seeing new people every day. They should join ProjectSEARCH because they have different mentors every day that teaches you different things and you get to learn from them.
The benefits of this program really help the interns learn those employability skills. They get a chance to be in a workplace and accepted and taught these skills that really prepare them for employment. I've noticed a huge difference in interns from day one till now. Interns get the opportunity to take the bus, have that independence, get a chance to try a job, and feel like part of the workforce and part of an employee in a bigger piece than just being a student. So it gives them that opportunity to feel accepted and to work with other people and learn those skills. What I would tell families who are considering putting their child into ProjectSEARCH is this is such a wonderful program for your child to feel independent and to really transition from high school to the world of work. So this opportunity really is, the students are well supported. There is a lot of encouragement. It's a welcoming environment. Interns really develop over the years, so they get that opportunity to try transit, to be independent, to work with other people. I think the families will really see their child develop over that year and really learn that independence and develop those employability skills that would prepare them for employment. Learn more about ProjectSEARCH Durham Region by visiting dcdsb.ca/ProjectSEARCH.